What's good, YouTube? BCC the Villain here. Just showing you guys a recap of everything I copped in 2018. And I'm going to unbox the shoes right after I go over this list with y'all. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. So, yeah, to go over all my cops in 2018. First box, we have a pair of 5 Lab 3s. These are the silver pair. So, these shine bright. Actually, I'm going to turn the flash on real quick. So, yeah, these are the 5 Lab 3s in the silver colorway. These bright as hell. Only wore these, I want to say maybe 4 or 5 times. I bought them off eBay for I want to say these are for $110. These are a really great deal in my opinion. So moving on to the next pairs, I have a pair of, these are just some basic Air Force Ones. They're a light pink with a gum bottom. Worn these a few times. I really like them. I got these for about $75. I want to say on Foot Action back in February. So reaching over here, I have a pair of Airmore Moneys. I didn't unboxing all these. These are the US dollar joints. Ooh, wrong shoe. The US dollar joints, which is basically an olive green upper, and it has gold accents, like a US dollar, basically. And reaching over here, I have a pair of Kobe Pro Shows. Once again, I did an unboxing on these too. These are the closing seconds colorway. The first colorway, I don't think it's the first colorway, but it's one of my favorite colorways of the Pro Show. I didn't have a chance to get into the Kobe's when they first dropped, the one, so I had to double back and get some of these. I'm so sorry. Okay, and then next we have a pair of metallic 5s. I beat these to shit, I'm not gonna lie. These are my daily drivers, but these are also my grails. So it's like it wouldn't be right for me to just keep them in a box and just let them sit. So these go with everything. I wear these with everything. So there's that. And then in this box we have a pair of, I think these are my other 5s. Yeah, these are my other 5s. These are the camo 5s. I think these are called the War Fighters or some shit, Fighter Jet 5s or something like that. These are an olive, all olive upper. Not like that, that's an olive green, but this is a true olive type upper. And the tongues have 3M also. The tongue has a 3M camo print, and also the back. It also says Air 23 instead of a Jumpman. So that's pretty dope. Moving right along, we have a pair of International 12s. I did an unboxing on these two. Super sick color. I still haven't worn these yet. I just laced them up and tried them on, but these are so sick to me. Because it has the clouds and the little scales right here, and the inside also has the clouds. I think I'm gonna have to walk around. I'm gonna walk around to get to these. These are a pair of, these are my Fear 4s, which are a sample. I really like these 4s. This is only my second pair of 4s. The other pair is a pair of Columbias, which aren't really all that hyped, all that big of a deal. So I wear these more often. And then moving right along to this box is a pair of Royal Ones I copped dead stock from the homie DJ for retail. Oh, there it is. So there's these. And then, sorry, that's my lens. Moving along over here, I have a pair of these US Open AirTech Challenge 2s. I did an unboxing on these also. So, those are these. I really like the AirTech Challenge 2. I wish I would have copped when these were hot, but I think I was in high school. I didn't have a job or any of that. But I really do like these, though. I wish I had the lava joints. Those are dope. And then I have a pair of Bread 13s. And yes, these are the breads with the 3M line. So I think it was this past release. I want to say it was 2017. With these ones with the 3M. And then getting into these aren't Space Jams. Okay, just straight off the bat, these aren't Space Jams. These are a pair of Flu Games. Flu Game 12s. Reason behind me having a box is one of my boys, my coworker, was getting rid of some shoes or whatever, or I guess he was throwing away the boxes, and I was like, wait, I need a box for my flu games. So I took that from him, basically. Now in this 11 box, there is a pair of 72 and 10 11s. I wore these at Rolling Loud and I fucked them. I got them hella dirty, but I cleaned them up with some Reshoevn-Ator. So these are like, they're better now, or cleaned up and shit. Now in this box is, why does my lens, whatever. Now in this box, I have a pair of Winlike 96 11s. I traded with my friend, Big Worm, for my my Barcelona 7s and $100. And these are dead stock. I haven't worn these yet. I mean, I'm planning on wearing them on New Year's Eve. So these won't be dead stock for long. But yeah, these are dead stock. Now, getting into the unboxing. Something I copped off eBay for, I want to say, is a steal. So let me just get into it real quick. I'm gonna cut this up. Shit. Now getting into this pair, it's a pair of Kobe 7s, as you can tell by the box. Nike Zoom Kobe 7 All-Star Black, Metallic Silver, Total Orange, and Bolt. And, you know, as it says on the box, these are a pair of All-Star Kobe 7s. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous in person. Oh, these are crazy. Well, the seller said they were used. Not out of 10 condition. I don't see anything really wrong with it. You know what I mean? Like, these are pretty good. I don't see, there's like not any heel drag. There's not any scuffs anywhere. Let me take the other pair out. I just got to put them on, lace them up. Oh, there's a little black mark right there. But you know, that's on the bottom, so I don't really care. Now, this is a Galaxy colorway, so as you can tell, of course, it's Galaxy all over. I think you can see in the light, the snakeskin pattern. They're always like changing and shit. Metallic silver swoosh. Metallic on the back. This patch, Kobe KB24. It was special for the All-Star games. Behind the tongue is Galaxy. Even the inside is the Galaxy print with the little snake. Bottom is glow in the dark. So as you can see, these are my my most recent cop. This is my last cop of 2018. This is Kobe 7 Galaxies. I've wanted these for I don't know how long, but you know, resellers trying to hit me over the head for like 300 plus. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just scout around. And then I saw these for 150. I was like, I'm gonna just go for them. You know what I mean? These aren't too bad of a condition. I mean, it's not really a bad condition on some real shit. But I just thought I couldn't pass them up. I just couldn't pass them up. So there you have it. The whole my cops of 2018 plus these. So I think that makes 15 pairs of shoes this year. Thanks you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.